Hi children, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 4C. So that is divide and check. So look at the first one, 504 divided by 14. Here this is your division symbol. 504 is your dividend and 14 is your divisor. So here we are going to divide 504 by using the 14th table. So you have learned the tables in your lower class. I hope you have learned till table of 10. So now you have to learn the tables till 20. So it will be easy for you to do your divisions. So here I have written the 14th table. 14 into 1, 14, 14 into 2, 28, 14 into 3, 42, 14 into 4, 56 and so on. So I have written the 14th table here. So now let us start our division. So to divide, first we have to write like this. Now we have to divide by using the 14th table. So here look at the first digit, that is 5. So 5 is smaller than 14. So we cannot divide that. So we have to take the first two digits, that is 50. So next what we have to do? Next we have to check whether 50 is in 14th table. Is there 50? No, we don't have 50 here. So we have to check whether any number is less than 50. Yes, here we have 42. So 42 is less than 50. So at what times we get 42? Yes, 14 into 1 is 14. 14 into 2 is 28. 14 into 3 is 42. So 3 times we get 42. So we have to write 3 over here. And we have to write 42 here. So next we have to subtract. So here we cannot subtract this directly. So we have to regroup. So now if I subtract 10 minus 2, that is 8. Here 4 minus 4, 0. Next I have one more digit here, that is 4. So I have to bring that down. So here it becomes 84. So next we have to check whether 84 is in 14th table. Yes, we have 84 here. At what times we get 84? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at 6th time we get 84. So we have to write 6 over here and 84 here. So next we have to subtract. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. So here we don't have any digit to bring it down. So we can stop our division here. So our answer is 36. That is our quotient. And here we have 0 as our remainder. So we can mark it as R. So next we have to do our checking. So to check, what we have to do is we have to multiply the quotient with the divisor. So what is the quotient here? Yes, the answer is 36. That is the quotient. So quotient is 36 and the divisor is 14. So if we multiply that, we will get our answer as 504. So along with that, we have to add our remainder. So our remainder is 0. So if we add 0 with 504, we will get 504 as our answer. So we can write like this, that is 36 into 14 plus 0 is equal to 504. That is quotient into divisor plus remainder, which is equal to dividend. So here we got our dividend. So our division is correct. So this is how we have to do our division and our checking. So here is one more example, 396 divided by 17. So we can write like this, 396 divided by 17. Here the dividend is 396 and the divisor is 17. So I have written the 17th table here. Okay, now we have to check whether 39 is in 17th table. Here we don't have 39. So we have to check whether there is any number less than 39. Yes, we have 34 here. So at what time? 17 into 1 is 17. 17 into 2 is 34. So we can write 2 over here and we can write 34. So next we have to subtract. So 9 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. So we cannot divide this 5. So next I have one more digit 6, that I am bringing it down. So 56. So now we have to check whether 56 is there. So we don't have 56. So less than 56 we have 51. So at what time? 17 into 3, 51. So write 3 here. So 51. Again subtract this. So 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So the quotient is 23. So this is our answer. And the remainder is 5. So then we have to check whether our division is correct. So to check, what we have to do, we have to multiply the quotient with the divisor. So here the quotient is 17 and the divisor is 23. So if we multiply that, we will get our answer as 391. So along with that, we have to add the remainder. So what is the remainder? 5. So if we add 5 to it, 396. So this is our dividend. So our division is correct. So we can write like this. 17 into 23 plus 5, which is equal to 396. Quotient into divisor plus remainder, which is equal to dividend. So here we have one more example. 816 divided by 18. So we have to divide 816 using the 18th table. So we can write like this. So here 8. So 8 is less than 18. So we cannot divide that. So we can take 81. So we have to check whether 81 is in 18th table. So we don't have 81 here. So what is the number less than 81? Yes, it is 72. So at what time we get 72? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 18 into 4 we get 72. So write 4 here and 72. So next we have to subtract. If we subtract, so we have to regroup here. So 11 minus 2, 9. So here 0. So next again one more digit we have, that is 6. We have to bring that down. So 96. So we have to check whether 96 is there. So here we don't have 96. So less than 96 we have 90. So at what time? So 18 into 5 is equal to 90. So we can write 5 over here and we can write 90 here. So then again we have to subtract. 6 minus 0, 6. 9 minus 9, 0. So here we don't have any other digit to bring it down. So we can stop our division here. And the answer, that is the quotient is 45 and the remainder is 6. So next we have to do the checking. So here to do the checking, we have to multiply the quotient, that is 45, with the divisor 80. So if we multiply, we will get our answer as 810. So along with that, we have to add the remainder, that is 6. So 810 plus 6 is 816. So we can write like this, that is the quotient into divisor plus the remainder, which is equal to dividend. So our division is correct. So now all these 3 problems you have to copy down into your classwork. A, B and then C. So you have to copy all these things in your classwork. So next, this is for your homework. Let's work out. So divide and check. So you have to do all these sums in your classwork. Divide this and then do your checking also. Thank you, children.